This is the most fun I've ever had making a film. It's a very silly film, and in that way that Austin Powers films are. You want to make sure there's a lot of entertainment, so there's dance numbers, there's song numbers, there's comedy sequences, there's story. You know, it's what I love. I love entertaining people. He's an American who is, orphaned, left in an ashram in India, and he comes to America and he starts to become the sort of celebrity love specialist. It's an entirely made-up faith, including the greeting, which is Mariska Hargitay. And whenever I had heard people say Mariska Hargitay, it felt like a greeting to me, Mariska Hargitay. Jessica Alba plays Jane Bullard, who is the owner of the Toronto Maple Leafs. She inherited the team from her father, Hank Bullard, who, when he bought the team in 1967, the Toronto Maple Leafs, have not won the Stanley Cup. And so she's lived in shame her whole life. The whole city blames her family because there's what's known as the Bullard curse. And finally, she has a shot at breaking the Bullard curse. And then her star player loses his mind, has some romantic problems, and so she hires the Guru Pitka to come, like the Yankees who hired a guru, come, and also Metallica, who had hired a guru, to come and fix the relationship. Justin Timberlake, he's hilarious. He is the most talented human being I've ever met in my life. I got a man crush on him. He did some really hilarious stuff on SNL. And so I called him up and I said, I would love for you to play this French-Canadian goalie named Jacques Lecoq Grandet, or Jacques Grandet. And he is the most well-endowed player in the National Hockey League. And he's kind of from the 70s, and he kind of has funny ways. And I started to do the character for him. He got it instantly. He said, send me a script. Send him a script. He called back and said, when do we start and what do I wear? And he knocked it out of the park. Vern, he is Coach Punch Cherkov. And he is an old hockey man who's set in his ways and can't believe that he has to have this guru thrust upon him by the owner, the lady owner of the team. Sir Ben Kingsley plays the Guru Pitka's guru, Guru Tuggan Maputa, who comes from a long line of gurus. His face, there's just something about it. The second he comes on screen, you just admire him and you like him. And he is a good chum of mine. We've become very good friends, and he's just an awesome, awesome actor. And I enjoyed improvising with a lot of the scenes that we do in the movie are improvised, and he's hilarious. He's a great guy. He's super smart. He is funny. He loves movies. He gets excited. He's enthusiastic, and he has a great, great eye, and he makes beautiful worlds. He has had an auspicious debut. The sets are beautiful. It's shot beautifully, and I think this is the beginning of a very long and illustrious career for Marco Schnabel. I realize that making an audience laugh means more to me than anything in the world, so this has just been a completely joyful experience for me.